How can we make the popular glass effect in Adobe Express? Start with a photo of your choice. Make a copy with Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to paste. In the image panel on the left, find the Crop tool. Choose your style. Simple shapes like squares, circles, or rectangles with rounded corners work best because we can easily match the shape to create a border later on. Make some quick adjustments to the image so we can start to see the difference from the background image. This is purely personal choice, but increasing brightness is usually a good move, and then we can use blur to imitate looking through glass. The amount may vary with the starting image, but I've found around 76% works well. Next, add a shape with a solid white fill and resize to fit the cropped image. Set the blend mode to screen and lower the opacity, something around 20%. Use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to paste a copy of this shape. Increase the opacity to 100% and switch the fill and stroke so that we have a border only. Resize the border to your liking, change its colour and also adjust the rounded corners if you have them so that it snugly fits your image and the shape underneath. Add any text, matching colours as needed. Make any final edits to opacity and Bob's your uncle. Quick way to make a glass effect in Adobe Express. For an extra bonus, we can also add a little bit of texture. Search media for grain. I find this first image works really well, but you could experiment and find others, or even try text to image to generate a custom texture. Crop the grain image to the same shape, change the blend mode to screen and reorder it in the layers above the plain white shape. Lower the opacity until you get a look that you like.